Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying credentials and two-factor authentication so you can rule out account blocks. Next, make sure your device clock, time zone, and OS are current because iCloud refuses connections with big clock drift or incompatible builds. Once done, confirm you're on a stable Wi-Fi or cellular network and reboot both the device and the router. This clears cached network errors. Also temporarily turn off VPNs or proxies so nothing intercepts Apple's authentication requests. You now dig into system and network layers to find subtle failures. First, verify Apple's system status on another device to exclude global outages. If services are green, move to DNS and point your device to a reliable resolver like 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8 to avoid ISP DNS blocks. Then inspect firewalls, router NAT, and ensure outbound HTTPS on port 443 is allowed because iCloud relies on secure connections. If on corporate Wi-Fi, ask IT to whitelist Apple domains. You finish by refreshing account tokens and clients to clear persistent authentication errors. Sign out of iCloud on the device, reboot, and sign back in so new tokens are issued. If that fails, update the OS or reinstall the iCloud app to replace corrupted components. As a last resort, reset network settings to remove bad routes. If problems persist, revoke old trusted devices and sessions in your Apple ID. This forces a fresh authentication flow and often resolves lingering.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.